Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to create a thumbnail with Pikzels. This is a step-by-step guide and we'll be taking you through the steps so you can do it yourself. Now this is Pikzels as you can see, and we have about just 50 credits. You can go ahead and add credits or upgrade at a cost, but right here, we just want to show you how you can make a thumbnail. Now you can see thumbnail, recreate, face swap, title, all the other options, but we'll be choosing thumbnail. So as you can see right here, you have in the input area some moving text, and this is basically Pikzels' way of giving you suggestions. Now these are quite interesting prompts and they're really nice prompts which we would love to use. However, when we go over to select everything, it's not working. It's just basically impossible to do. So what are we going to do? We're going to use the snippet tool in order to take a snapshot of what we have right here in order to know the best way to provide a prompt in order to get the best results. So at this point, we will be using the snippet tool. We'll be clicking right here on our Windows button. Click on snip and you have the snipping tool. So do take note of that. Of course, you could use your mobile device to quickly take a picture, but we'll be using the shortcut Shift, Windows and S. So now we have everything frozen and we'll be taking a screenshot of this area. So now that we have it, we're going to go over to Gemini, or you could use ChatGPT or basically any other AI chatbot. And we've pasted the picture. The next we're going to be putting in this text. Basically, we're asking Gemini to give us a thumbnail idea using the prompt from the picture which we provided. You can write it your way, but this is how we're doing it. So go ahead and click on submit. And now we have our result. We're going to copy this, go over to Pikzels, paste it in, click on generate, but do take note that it takes about 10 credits to generate an image and we have currently about 50. So let's go ahead and try the first one. And this first option is by using the idea which we got from Pikzels itself. So go ahead and click on generate. So this is the result and this is what we have from our prompt, as you can see from what we have here written, and this is the visual result. We're going to be trying another one and we'll be pasting in this. So here we have make a split screen thumbnail showing a dramatic before and after arm transformation. And we can add from skinny to muscular. Great, so let's go again. We're going to lose 10 credits, but this time we hope to get another result. Click on generate and wait for the results. Great, so right here we have a better result from the little text of prompt which we provided for Pikzels. Though we lost 20 credits in our exercise, we now have a good example of what we'd like to use as a thumbnail. Of course, you have the option to download, and do take note that this expires in 23 hours. However, of course, you can also see Pikzels here, and you'll need a paid plan in order to remove the watermark. So this is how to create a thumbnail with Pikzels.